How to download WhatsApp on your MacBook. The fair, simple solution is go to the App Store and download it, right? Let's go to the App Store and find out. Now this is the icon for App Store. I have it on my dock. If you don't have it on your dock, you can just press Command plus space and type in App Store. Once it comes up, you can just hit enter and it is going to open up App Store. In the App Store, on the left side, you have a search bar. In search bar, let's type in WhatsApp and then hit enter. You can see there is a WhatsApp Messenger application that is available on here. Now I can just hit download and it is going to start downloading. I may have to put in my Apple ID password, and that is about it. The next way to do it is actually go to the web. Type in download WhatsApp for Mac, and then you see we have a download WhatsApp link. Click on it. Do make sure that it is from whatsapp.com itself. Don't download it from any untrustworthy sources. If you download it from sketchy sources, it may cause your Mac to get a few malwares. Now here you can see we have download WhatsApp. You can click on download over here and then click on allow. It is going to download WhatsApp for us, and then I'll show you how to install it. Now that it has downloaded, click on it. And then here you see we have a window that says WhatsApp installer. What you want to do now is take this WhatsApp logo and drop it into the applications folder. You may have to put in an admin name and password for it. Let's do that. You can see copying WhatsApp to applications and it's going to automatically install. Wait a few seconds and then go to the apps folder to see WhatsApp in your applications, and that is how you download WhatsApp on Mac. Now on the home screen you may see WhatsApp installer over here. To remove that, you can just right click on it and click eject WhatsApp installer and it will go away. If you don't want to do any of that, you can just go to web.whatsapp.com and you can scan to login over here. Alternatively, you can see we have an option to download WhatsApp web from here as well. So it is just going to take a website and download it as an application. So I just have to download it here and I'm good to go.